Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create groups in Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, I'm just going to simply follow this learning article of Microsoft. And basically here it will show you the exact steps to take so you will be able to start creating groups and managing your users on the admin center. So basically, the first thing would be is to log in into your admin center. So you can simply go to your admin.microsoft.com and from there you will be able to log in to your account. In my case, I'm not an admin in my enterprise. That's why it's giving me this window. So basically, after that, in the admin center, you will find in the dashboard or in your menu, you will find a choice that says Teams in the groups. And by that, it will take you to active teams and groups. And from there, you will be able to start like managing your groups and your teams. So basically, you will be needing just to create or add in a new group. So basically, in there, you will find the add Microsoft group choice, and this would allow you to start creating a group on Microsoft. So basically, in the wizard, you will find or you will need just to fill in the information, such as the name of the people that will be the name of the group and basically description. Then you will be adding managers for the group. So basically, you will need just to choose some people who manage the group, and after that, you will be able to start adding members to that specific group. And then you can start like assigning some settings to that group so you can just like have some policies etc or privacy option and then you will need just to click on create group and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.